Let's do a room tour. We are at the island tower of the Polynesian resort, the new island tower over here, the DVC tower, and it is super nice. We are staying in a 1-bedroom villa with theme park view. So let's go take a look and do a tour. When you first walk in, the art is right up against the wall. Look at that. And this place is massive. It is a 1-bedroom villa, so that means it has the living room area, but it also has a bedroom right back there. But let's start at the front, where you have a washer and dryer all in the same thing. So that is a washer and a dryer. I need one of these for the house because that looks awesome. You just have one unit for washing and drying. That's really cool. Then you have over here a closet area with the extra pillows and blankets and a safe. So you have a lot of storage. That's a big closet. And then you have bathroom number 1. Yes, you heard me right. Bathroom number 1. There's 2 bathrooms here. So let's see this bathroom. It has a really cool aisle. So we just got out of a deluxe studio, and the showers are so nice with the rainfall shower. Oh yeah, so nice. But this is that shower. This bathroom has a mirror right here for you to check your fit. Ooh. It has the sink, but then you come out and it has a full kitchen. The studio only had a kitchenette. This is a full kitchen with a giant refrigerator and freezer with a water dispenser, an ice dispenser. That's really nice. And then a full stove right here, and then a microwave, and then it has the trash cans right there. And then it has a really big sink and a dishwasher and a toaster and a Keurig. And let's see, this has ice thing too. You really don't need ice because you have a refrigerator that does ice. But you have all the stuff like glasses and cookware and stuff like that, so you can cook here. So it'll save you a lot of money when it comes to buying food. You can buy food and bring it here, and then you can cook your own food as well. See, there's pans and stuff like that. So that's really nice. And then you get to the living room area. Actually, there is a really big dining room table right here, and a really cool like chandelier thing, and a really cool ray right there. That thing is awesome. It's really, really cool. But then you go over this way, and then there's 2 beds in this room that can sleep 3 different people. So you have this one right over here first. This one is a pull-down bed right here. So it has some artwork on there, and then it has more artwork right here. So there is a bed right there. It has 2 people can go there. So like a full-size bed right here. It has some artwork back there, but then you go over here. Oh, look at this. Oh, and then there's another bed right here. Right here is another bed. You just pull it right on down and there's a single bed. Look at that. Single bed. So you can sleep 3 people just in the living room, which is nice. Then a very big TV. And then you have, look at this hidden Mickey in the chairs and the table right here. And then we'll get to that in a minute. That area, that's the best area. But then here is bedroom number 1. Well, there's only 1 bedroom. And then there's the air conditioner. So if you can, dads can do this. Beep, 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 beep. Don't touch my air. Yeah, I do that too. And then you have the bedroom over here with some really cool, very big headboard. Really cool headboard with some lights and some USBs, and then a TV over here. And then you also have a walkway out there to the balcony area, which I'm going to show you again, this balcony in just a minute. But this is another closet area with more blankets and pillows. That's really nice. and then a dresser that you can put all your clothes out, and then a full-size mirror right here where you can, again, check your fit. Ooh, Then bathroom number 2 with 2 mirrors, 2 sinks, a lot of towels and stuff, and a lot of towel holders, holy cow. And then this is the shower. This one actually has a tub, which is nice for people with kids. And then it has a lower shower thing right there, but then it has the rainforest shower right there. That's very, very low. I didn't realize how low that was when I came in here earlier. But yes, that is very low. But it has the double sinks, which is nice, so 2 people can get ready in here at the same time. Very nice. So and then there's the toilet, the place where you do your business. But let's go out here. This is the star of the show right here. So the other door is a sliding door. I like this one because all you have to do is do this and then ta-da, open the door. And it is a huge balcony. So you have a sliding glass door over there, a regular door over here, but you have both of these areas. And are you ready for the view? Are you ready? I don't know if you're ready. Look at this view. I cannot wait to watch the fireworks tonight from this view. Look at that. You got the Magic Kingdom right there. Oh, such a nice view. And then you have the Polynesian village right over here, right there. That's nice. Right over there is the rest of the Polynesian village. And then you have the pool over there. This is a really nice view. We were actually just right there on the other room that we were in. We just had a tour of that room. 8634 is what our room number was over there. So if you want to watch that video, I'll leave it in the description below of a studio room. So you have the studio room over there, the 1-bedroom villa over here, and you still have pretty much the same view. This is just a little bit closer than that one over there, but you still have a really, really nice view of the Magic Kingdom. So nice. And then I'll show you what the view looks like at night, because it is amazing. It is amazing. Let's do this. And there is the nighttime view. Look at this view. Look at that. Look how nice this is. Oh, and goodness. And like I said, you can see the rest of the resort over there. And you can see Epcot, the ball right through that lattice over there. So you can see the fireworks at 9 o'clock. It's just so nice here. So nice. I love this place. I love this place.